Hey guys, it's springtime and I'm assessing the damage that winter has done to my garden beds. And now that I can see soil, I'm really excited to get planting again. So one thing I've been saving are these potatoes. These are potatoes that I purchased as groceries. However, they started sprouting, and so I'm gonna plant them out and hopefully we'll get a lot more potatoes. Now these potatoes are called yellow fleshed purple potatoes. Those are organic potatoes, so I'm really excited to get some more purple potatoes. Another bag of potatoes, same thing happened. These are called just yellow potatoes. These are not organic potatoes, but I'm gonna plant them anyway. And I believe that since I'm gonna be growing them organically, the baby potatoes will be organic. So it's not really bothering me that these are not organic potatoes. So we'll see how it goes. This is a great way to use up any garbage, any food that would, be going into the garbage. Plant it out instead and see what happens. So here's my garden bed. Here's what we see after the snow melts. I had covered it with mulch, just leaf mulch. So I'm thinking what I will do is leave this in and cover it with compost. The soil has settled, so I'm just gonna top it off with compost, so that will amend my soil. And in this bed I'm planting potatoes and garlic. Hey guys, it's the next day and I'm out here in the ice rain because I have more kitchen food waste to plant. Green onions. Green onions grow back very well. You see, I bought these with the roots intact, so these plants are going to grow all summer, no problem. I'm just going to pop these in the ground. I did start green onions from seeds. These ones are going to give me a little bit of a head start. So here we go. This is my garden bed after I amended it with compost. So I have planted in here, hardneck garlic and my potatoes. So I'm just gonna pop, it's freezing here, I'm just gonna pop my green onion in the ground. They're pretty cold hardy. We're still getting freezing temperatures. There we go. And maybe one on the other side. Looks like an animal is digging in here. There you go. Okay, that's it.